Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to spy on your competitors' Google Ads. So let's just get into it. So head on over to this website at transparency.google.com and it will take you to this page. So first of all, you need to know your actual competitors, not just the competitors, but the competitors that are running Google Ads in the same auction as you. And to do this, there are two ways. You can either go on Google and maybe type your service, right? So maybe real estate company, let's say real estate Lagos in this case. I'm not seeing any ads right now because number one, I'm not in Lagos right now, and number two, I'm on desktop. A lot of advertisers don't like to advertise on desktop because it's just spam, or not spam, just irrelevant. Right. So ideally you should see ads here, right? And those are your actual competitors if this keyword is a keyword that you are bidding on. So this is the first way. This is more manual. The second way is to head on over to your campaign under insights and reports. Head on over to auction insights and just select a good time period, and it's going to show you competitors running ads in the same auction as you, right? And it will show you more data about your impression share, how much you're above them, how much you're above you, outranking share, stuff like that, right? So this is the best way. So you can just take their URL and head on over to this website and just paste the ad. You can search by their name or by their website itself. So let me just use Amazon. Let's just use Amazon. You can filter by country, by time, by platform itself. So you can see these are the ads that they are currently running. Let's say last 30 days. So yeah, you can take a look at the ads they are currently running in the last 30 days. Just go through it. I like to use this before I launch any campaign. So I'll just use this to look at what my competitors are doing. If they are doing something, it probably works, right? See if I can make better ad copies, better ads and stuff like that. See the site links, the assets they are using. You understand? So yeah, just go through it. You can go through from maybe YouTube. You want to see if they are running YouTube ads. Maybe if you want to scale, you can use this to know how profitable it will be. Just get an idea, get the basic idea, right? Shopping and all, yeah. So yeah, this is the easiest way you can spy on your competitors' ads. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you need help with your own Google ads, click the link in the description to work with me. And I'll see you in my next video.